Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the network and devices visible to each other. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and any VPNs are off. Once done, enable discoverable mode on the receiver so it accepts connections. Next, open your source device's screen mirroring or CAS menu, control center on iOS or quick settings on Android, and locate the receiver name. Tap it to initiate the handshake and allow the connection if the receiver prompts for permission. Once the pairing request arrives, you must authenticate. Accept on the receiving device or type the on-screen PIN to prevent unwanted access. After connected, make quality choices. Pick 1080p for clarity or 720p for smoother performance on weaker networks, and enable adaptive mode if available to balance latency and fidelity. Also set audio routing and screen orientation so apps and videos display correctly. These steps reduce lag, prevent pixelation, and ensure what you see matches what your audience expects. To finish, stop the mirror from the source device or tap disconnect on the receiver. This returns control to the local displays. If you encounter lag, stutter, or disconnects, first move devices closer and remove obstructions, then reboot the router and retry. Network congestion is the most common fault. If problems persist, reset network settings on the source, forget and re-add the receiver, and verify firmware is current. That one reset usually clears lingering pairing or protocol mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.